God damn, that's good. A classic daiquiri is made with white rum, but today I'm gonna make one with dark rum. Call me crazy. The first step to making a daiquiri is get yourself a lime and squeeze out 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Next, you're gonna add 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. Now this is kind of at your taste. If you want it a little sweeter, add a little more simple syrup. If you want it a little bit less sweeter, add a little bit less. It's kind of to your taste. That's what's so awesome about a daiquiri, is they really are easy to make and they're easy to modify to your liking. That's why I really love daiquiris. Now normally you make a daiquiri with white rum, but today I'm going to switch it up and I'm going to use Island Bird Premium Dark Rum. Why? Why not? Island Bird Premium Rum is available at cwspirits.com. Promo code Cafe Amora. Save yourself money. Liquor delivered right to your door. Hard to find bottles, easy to find bottles. All kinds of different bottles are there. 5% discount. Save yourself some money, guys. And to help out the channel, this is Amora. It's expensive.
That's not nice.
Is it true though?
Maybe a little.
Don't be shy to fill this bad boy with ice. You want to get this stuff really, really cold. And no, it's not going to dilute it. It's not going to water it down. It's going to dilute it some, but it's not going to water it down. That's a misconception. There we go. You're going to want to shake this for about 60 repetitions, maybe 70. And hard, shake it hard. Now get your favorite cocktail glass and strain it in there. Ah, the perfect after-work cocktail. It's so easy to make and so delicious. All right, guys, so that's my riff on the classic daiquiri. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Cheers. Oh, it's like relaxation, tranquility, and a glass. It is so good.